Hello everyone, you are listening to the Money Builders Show. Inspire, inculcate and innovate. Episode 24, How Passion Finds You. You may have your passion and you may not. In most of the cases, you don't go hunting your passion. It finds you when you keep looking for it. It's difficult to find passion with time limits in your mind. You never know when it finds you and changes your life forever. Are you suffering from your job? Do you hate your work? Do you think you are wasting your life pursuing something you hate? Imagine you never get tired of your work. Imagine you feel fulfilled with the work you do. Imagine you enjoy working every day. How do you feel? It feels great to enjoy life every day. You spend a lot of time on work every day, and if that work is what you love, then you'll never feel it as a burden. Instead, you would enjoy it like anything. You can call such work your passion. One who found their passion has to pursue it to enjoy their life. One who didn't find it has to wait, and you have to keep looking for it. You won't find your passion when you want. Passion finds you when it feels you are ready. You may struggle to find your passion, but the truth is you need to observe so carefully. Passion is like a movement. It appears and vanishes so fast. Your passion need not be anything big. It can be so small even. But your calculations make you miss it. It may be a salesman job, cooking, cleaning or some hobby. It doesn't matter what kind of work it may be. If you enjoy it, it's your passion. Just take it and get better at it. Have you ever studied the lives of great people carefully? If you have studied, then you would understand how passion found them and how they found their passion and how both fell in love with each other. Albert Einstein, a famous physicist, kept pursuing several other jobs before he became a brilliant physicist. He worked as a part-time teacher, associate professor, tutor, patent clerk, invention analyzer, and he took several other jobs related to teaching. In the process, passion found him and he found his passion. APJ Abdul Kalam, a well-known scientist, sold tamarind seeds when he was a child and then helped his cousin in catching newspaper bundles and made his first wage. He helped in the ferry business that his family had. He tried to become a fighter pilot but unqualified. He joined DRDO and then he joined ISRO. He was appointed as the principal scientific advisor to the government of India. Then he was nominated for the post of President of India. Walt Disney, a famous cartoonist and the founder of Disneyland, started his career with a small business that made commercials. But the business was short-lived. Then he took up a job at a film ad company where he got an interest in animation. He was rejected for an editor post, and one day he was drawing pictures in a church and he saw a small mouse there, and that's how the idea of Mickey Mouse was born, which is a famous cartoon picture now. You can't tell how a small thing can inspire you so much, and that's why you need to be so attentive to every small thing around you. These are few examples, and every glorious success is a result of many things. No one started with what they became. They pursued several menial jobs before their passion found them. So how do you think your passion finds you? The only way it finds you is keep pursuing several jobs that come in your way. Don't ignore even minor jobs. Do everything. Pursue everything. In the process, you will find the passion that makes you fall in love with it so deeply. When you find your passion, that moment is speechless. Quit what you're doing and work on your passion, and that's how you will fall in love with it and with you every day. It may be difficult to pursue a passion, but it's worthy. Your passion adds value to your life. You will never feel tired of working. Instead, you will enjoy your work as it is what you are highly passionate about. Your passion makes a difference in your life, and it makes a difference in this world, for which you will be alive forever in people's minds. What are you waiting for? Keep looking for your passion, and even it is looking so eagerly for you. Go fall in real love with your passion that makes you fall in love with yourself too. Until then, see you in the next episode. If you like this podcast, subscribe and share it with your loved ones. Thank you.